I just doubled the reliability of my old Ford truck with one single part. It's a key to another old Ford truck. I figure if this works half the time and this works half the time, I have one good truck. Best part is I paid $2 grand for this thing because if you dip a rag in the coolant reservoir, it's entirely filled with milky oil. Normally that would mean a blown head gasket, but if we put this glove over our coolant reservoir and turn the engine on, we'll be able to see if there's crazy blow-by going into the coolant. I don't see any air. Now, since we don't have combustion gases getting into our coolant, that means the oil is getting into our coolant when it's in some other situation. On these 6.0s, it's usually the heat exchanger, which is an oil to water heat exchanger buried deep in the V of the block. Still not an easy job, but way fucking cheaper than doing head gaskets. Anyway, let's just tear it apart and fix it. Oh, shit. This is the worst fucking engine I think I've ever worked on. There's the oil cooler. It took every bit of 8 hours to get this out. Well, luckily I did find the problem. This is the oil cooler housing right here. And this right here, coolant goes through here. Oil is back here. And if you look, that seal is completely blown. 5 hours of cleaning later, we have all our parts cleaned. We have a new turbo, we have gaskets, we have filters, we have new fuel pressure regulator, we have oil cooler, we have new thermostat, and we got more gaskets and a fuel injector control module, so I could rebuild this damn old thing. I skipped about 15 hours of work, but we are back together. Everything is bolted on. I don't have any coolant in the system. I just want to crank it and make sure that my new Ficum, my new turbo, my new filters and all that shit doesn't leak. Okay, hit it. A week later, running it hot and hard, I have a mix of simple green and distilled water in the coolant tank. And look at that, residue, but no oil.